Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply your e-visa for Zimbabwe step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this e-visa Zimbabwe website. Here, the very first thing I would tell you is to go to FAQ, because they have described everything, at least most of the things that you need. Okay, like what this visa, how long, 7 working days, benefits, who can apply, okay, when will you get it, what's the validity, okay, what documents you need, okay, and if you need to apply, and how much you pay. So all this you can see. Category A, B, C. So category for A, nationals, not required to have a visa. Okay, fine. B, not required to apply for visa before traveling, but they will pay and obtain a visa upon entering, means visa on arrival. Okay. Category C, they have to apply for visa. Okay. That's what I said, guys. Like, check it yourself where you, in which group you fall. Okay. And then you can apply it online. Fine. And if you're in category B, you need to fill the entering declaration prior to travel. Fine. So once you are ready, uh, click for apply. So you have to register your account first. If you have not, first name, last name, email, password, and type password. Click on confirm. It will send a verification link to your email account, and then you need to click that to log in, to activate your account. Because I have done already, I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so I'm on the main page. Okay, so select the port of entry that you wanna enter. So again, if you have booked already, you know that's right. Please select yourself and the person that you will. Before and please create at least one person, of course, like who it. So passport details, do it very carefully. What this person linked to you? Self. If you're traveling group like your spouse, child, parents, you can add all of them here and you can proceed. Okay, fine. Now you need to select like whichever person you want to continue. Like let's say even if you have multiple, select continue. Nationality. Okay, now nationality is very important. You see ABC. So I'm not sure for India it will allow it or not. Set ordinary passport, single. So you get visa on arrival. Okay. So obtain a visa upon arrival. Okay. Yeah, but yeah. So I'm just selecting that. It will give you all the possible options. Mode of travel by plane, flight number, date of expiry of your passport. See the format, guys. Purpose of visit, holiday, duration of stay. I'll say 30 days. Okay, I'll put name, number of accompanying children under 18, date of your date of birth, gender, marital status, address and country of permanent residence. So in this case, his Indian address. Of course, you know your address. Name or host in Zimbabwe, name of host. So if you don't have anyone, you can put the hotel that you do. Hotel A. Occupation, address. A new dependent convicted of crime home going to say the amount of currency, available time of entry. Wow, USD. Emergency contact, last name with first name, Peter. Email, phone. Okay, is for single entry visa on arrival. Receive the approved. You cannot travel until you have received the approved visa. Sent via residing application status. Okay. Then you confirm. So you can pay now or you can do it once you arrive there. So it's up to, if you pay in advance, it will be better because instead of spending time over there may payment issue, connectivity. Instead, better pay in advance, I would recommend. So that's how you can do. Based on your nationality, there could be additional documents and steps also, because you saw category A, B, and C. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.